Hey everybody, here's just a little tutorial on how to use the Padlet. So here's your directions. First, I want to clarify that you need to do two posts to be in attendance for both days. One for today, the 22nd, and one for tomorrow, the 23rd. And it's got your directions right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to find my first period teacher, so I'll pretend that I'm in my own class. You hit the plus sign. The subject line is a great place to put your name. You don't need to be making an account, so it's going to show your post as anonymous. You have to put your name somewhere in the post. So I'm just going to say Mrs. Rollins, and I might call it the date, so I'm going to call this one the 22nd, okay? And then I can write something down here. If you're posting from your phone and like you took a picture of something you want to post, you can click on the take a photo if you want to take a photo right now or right here to upload something. But if you're just going to write a paragraph, you can just type it right here. So today I shoveled my porch, helped my son and students with homework. So tomorrow's post should be about your act of service, and today's post should just be about what you're doing today. Obviously, make sure you follow the requirements. Make sure you write enough, but I'm just giving you a quick little show of how to do it. So I'm going to click submit, okay? And then you can see that it's right here. Now it's going to show as awaiting approval. And so as soon as we see yours, then we can approve it and it will go public for the rest of the class to see. And then if for some reason you need to edit it, you can click on this. I just clicked on the three dots right there and I can click edit post. If for some reason like you duplicated, you can click delete post. You can do some fun things like change the color of your post and you'll be able to see yours right away. But as you can see right here, it says anonymous because I'm not signed into any account. So just make sure you put your name somewhere on the post. That's just a short little tutorial on how to post on the Padlet. Um, I know some of you have used this in Mrs. Christensen's class, and when we get to our plant project in my class, we'll be using it more, but this will be a fun way for us to all share our acts of service tomorrow, and we will see you back in class on Friday. Enjoy the rest of your evening and your snow day tomorrow.